It was more than just a visit. It was a memory they would never forget. The ice cream factory had given them a day full of smiles, magic, and sweet surprises. Zayan and Zoya walked out of the factory with big smiles. What a sweet adventure it was. Zoya finally got their own ice cream, and it was the tastiest treat ever. Their eyes sparkled with joy. They had just seen their first real ice cream cone being made. Look at that! A perfect ice cream cone came out of the machine. There were 2 buttons, red to stop and green to start. Zayan and Zoya pressed the green one, and the ice cream machine came to life. Suddenly, so many yummy flavors appeared. Chocolate, strawberry, mango, and more. Zayan and Zoya couldn't wait to pick their favorite. Wow! Zayan and Zoya couldn't believe their eyes. So this is how ice cream is made. It looked like magic. Zayan and Zoya were so excited. Here it is, the magical ice cream factory, where delicious dreams are made. Let's take a look inside.